Hello guys, this is a quick review of the Canon EOS R50. I got this from Amazon and I have to say that I love it. You can see here, I got the white one and it's pretty small, and I use here with this system from my footage now that I can slide the camera. So the camera is very lightweight, so you can use it here and it's pretty good. See, I just turn on here and then I have all the control that is touch. Everything here is touch, right? So I can control everything from here. Let's say, for example, I'm just change something here, the shutter, and better now. And this is articulated, so it's very good. And it's compared to other cameras, this is good because it's very affordable and you can do a lot with this camera. See, for example, here the screen works like this, and here you have input for mic. You can switch lenses. This one is the one that comes with the kit, 18 to 45. Okay, and on this side also you have connection for USB and for HDMI, which I use to connect to some system to record and recorder via HDMI. You have clean HDMI in this camera that I need to use for some projects. I need clean HDMI and this camera has it, right? Then you can press here to start recording. You can also press here, so it's pretty interesting. You have different ways to start recording, and you can control the camera via the buttons here, the menu, or via the touch just right there. Okay, so guys, overall it's very, very good. It's a good product. I bought it from Amazon. I like it and I recommend it.